Welcome back, guys. This is Resourceful Marcus back at you. Thanks for coming back and watching my channel. So I'm just painting the back of my aquarium here. This is the 30-gal aquarium that I've restored, and I'm just applying some blue paint to the background here of the glass. More paint over here. I think I got just enough paint left to do this back of this aquarium, because this is what I used on my 125 gal and on my 45 gallon Pentagon. So I'm just gonna take some of this nice blue paint here. I think this was a Glidden product, water-based, flat, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe this color was called Caribbean Blue. Very nice subtle color. I'm just going along, rolling her on here. As many coats as I can on this. Now you can buy a vinyl that's a color, various blue color that you can apply to the glass, but I chose to just go with water-based paint, latex paint. Seems to work for me. You don't have to put a background on your aquarium if you don't want. I'm just showing you how I do it. Probably do one or two more coats and then that should be good. Sorry, the roller's a little squeaky here. And there we go. Alright, looking good, looking good. So that was just a short video, guys, to show you how I do the back of my aquariums, glass, just to put the blue background. You can do whatever you want. Some people take live plants and put them behind their aquarium, and this is how I do it, alright? So if you like that, that's fine. You don't like it, that's fine as well. Alright, Resourceful Marcus, I will see you again in the next video. Thank you again for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It helps my channel very much. I appreciate it. See you in the next one. Thank you.